Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fill color in Snapseed. While Snapseed does not have a direct fill color tool like a paint bucket, you can achieve similar effect on specific areas using a combination of tools. So here is how you can do it. First of all, tap Open Snapseed application. Tap the plus button on the screen and select an image you would like to use for edit. You can choose an image from your device's camera library. Select the photo you would like to work on with. After you choose a photo, click on Use at the top right corner. Now, click on the Tools option at the bottom after importing an image. Go to the Selective option from the list and tap on it. Now, pick a point that you want to fill with colors and you will be able to see this little bee kind of a blue icon. Increase the brightness according to your need or decrease it according to your preference. Go to Contrast and increase contrast level. Now get to the saturation part and swipe towards the right hand side to fill in with saturated color. After you are done filling in the colors, go ahead and move to structure and increase your structure intensity as well. After you do that, you will be able to see that you have filled your image with more vibrant color in the selected area. You can also move the area by simply dragging the blue dot and putting it in your desired area to fill in more colors in it. So that is how you can easily fill with colors on Snapseed. After you are happy with your changes, tap on the little tick mark at the bottom right corner and tap on Export on the next page at the bottom right as well and click on the Save option to save your changes. So that is how you will be able to fill colors in Snapseed using various tools. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.